Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Zainab Tajir, a homeopathy consultant and psychological counselor. So recently on the 22nd of March, we celebrated World Water Day. But then you may ask, why do you have to celebrate water? So now, water is an extremely important component for all living beings. Without water, there is absolutely no life on the earth. All living plants and animals need water to survive. According to a study, it was found out that a person can live a few weeks without having food, but a person can only survive a few days without water. So now you know water is so important, right? So in today's video, we are going to discuss about why is it so important for us to remain hydrated and drink ample amount of water. And also we are going to talk about the what is the correct way to hydrate ourselves. So every cell, organ and tissue of our body requires water. So let's discuss about the few reasons why water is so important. The first is it helps in creating saliva. Now saliva is a fluid in our mouth that helps in beginning our digestion. It contains a lot of electrolytes and enzymes that help in digestion of our food. You might have noticed that when you are very thirsty, you feel your mouth is very dry. When you are fasting, you feel your mouth is very dry because your body does not create enough saliva. Therefore, if you are dehydrated, the production of saliva reduces, which again disturbs your digestion. The second thing is water helps in regulating your body temperature. So, what do I mean here? Our body constantly loses water by sweating because of all the urine and excretory products. Therefore, it's very, very important for us to remain hydrated all the time so that our body can function optimally. And hence, drinking enough water also helps in maintaining a normal body temperature. Otherwise, our body might get very heated and we might face certain extreme health conditions. Third is water helps in protecting our tissues, our joints, and also our spinal cord. So it basically acts like a lubricant and a cushioning in between our joints so that you can freely move all your joints. The same way it helps as a cushioning for your spinal cord so that you can move your back with ease. And hence water is a very important component for all our tissues and joints. The fourth is water helps in excreting all the waste products from our body. So we usually lose a lot of waste while we are perspiring. We lose waste via urination and defecation, and water plays a very important role in all this. It helps in the optimum functioning of our kidneys. Also, it aids digestion through the large intestine so that we can excrete properly. Otherwise, you know that whenever somebody is constipated, we ask them to drink enough water and also eat fibrous foods and foods that are rich in water. So now you realize that water is so important. So water also helps in improving the blood circulation of our body. So our blood contains a big amount of water, and this water helps in delivering optimum oxygen and nutrients to all our cells and tissues. And therefore, plays a very important role in providing enough oxygen to all our tissues. Water also helps in boosting our energy. So, when you are properly hydrated, you will realize that your metabolism has gotten better and that ultimately improves your energy levels also. Water also plays a very important role in maintaining a glowing skin because when you drink enough water, it promotes our skin in producing enough collagen. And collagen plays a very important role in maintaining a good elasticity of our skin and a nice glow to our skin because, again, that also improves the blood circulation in our skin. So, if you are looking for having a glowing skin, make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day. And lastly, water is very important for preventing dehydration. So when your body is dehydrated, it results into a lot of health problems such as seizures. It can result into swelling of your brain or many other deadly diseases. Therefore, make sure that you get your daily intake of water correctly. So now that we have discussed about why it is so important to drink enough water, let us discuss about the correct ways of drinking water. The first thing you have to do is you have to sit down while you are drinking water because what that really does is it relaxes your nervous system. It relaxes the nerves that are going to your digestive system and ultimately aids in your digestion, which helps in improving the digestion of all the foods that you have eaten and also the other fluids that you have taken. And therefore, if you want to make sure that you are utilizing the water you have drunk optimally, always make sure that you sit down while drinking water and avoid drinking water while you are standing. The second thing you have to do is avoid gulping down water. So usually what we do is we pick up a bottle and we drink water in one shot. But then make sure that you're drinking water in sips so that you can easily satisfy your thirst, but also you can avoid sending in too much water in your body, which does not help with your digestion at all. The third thing is drink water at room temperature or drink warm water. Avoid drinking any cold water because what cold water does is that it disturbs your digestion. Also, cold water reduces the blood supply to various organs, and that is not healthy for your body. So, make sure that you are either drinking water at room temperature or warm water at all times. The fourth is listen to your body when it gives you cues that it is thirsty. When you feel that your mouth is dry, when the saliva production in your mouth has decreased, or when you start having dark yellow color urine, it is a sign that your body is dehydrated and requires more water. Hydrated body usually has a clear straw colored urine. So that's the sign that you are drinking enough water that is required by your body. The next thing to do is to drink water the first thing in the morning as soon as you wake up. So that acts as a detox and helps in cleansing your intestines. So it is extremely good for your health and for your overall digestion. And the last thing that you have to take care of is that make sure that you drink water in copper vessels. So copper is an extremely important component in our electrolyte systems and helps in a lot of processes in our body. When you drink water that is infused with copper, it helps in your overall health and digestion. Also, make sure that you store the water overnight in a copper vessel to reap its benefits because water that is filled and immediately consumed does not get any benefits of copper infused into it. So, I hope these tips are helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Also, if there are any other tips that you have, do leave them in the comment section below. If you like watching my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for sticking by.